Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. So as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it was only 32 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings then phone. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So basically you can check some further details using two different ways. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to this dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. After tapping on a specific day, you will have the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. And the second one is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, phone, camera, Chrome, whatever you've got here. Simply tap on the app and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What is more, here we've got ways to disconnect. So we've got the dashboard. Basically it is the app limit, bedtime mode or focus mode. So the dashboard is the option where we can simply set the app limits for the app. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. As you can see here, we've got this hourglass icon next to it. So let's simply tap on it. And now I can decide for how long I want to use this app during one day. So let's pretend I want to use it only for 30 minutes a day. Of course, it is better to apply the timer for things like, I don't know, social media or the apps which you are really using too much. By setting it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during one day, because this timer will basically reset at midnight, as you can see. Of course, if you want to, you can also set it for 0 minutes and 0 hours, which means that your device will completely block the app and you will not be able to turn it on. Let me show it to you, just confirm it. As you can see, the camera is a little bit I would say grayed out, especially it is visible here. And after tapping on it, our device will show us the information that the app is paused. Of course, you can go to the settings and turn it on and normally use it, but still there is a chance that this information will, let's say, stop us from doing that. Alright, so that was the first way of limiting the screen time, and for example the focus mode, which is also nice, I would say. Here we've got the list of the apps which we've got on our device. And we can choose distracting apps. So for example, let's pretend that this one is quite distracting for me, maybe calendar or whatever. Calendar and Facebook. So we can select distracting apps, then tap on set a schedule, and we can choose specific days of the week with specific hours. It's of course up to you, you can customize it, and then tap on set. After that, your device will basically limit or hide the notifications from those apps during the schedule time, which means that you will not be that much disturbed. So you can focus on, for example, I don't know, sleep, or you can focus on working or spending time with your family or simply resting, studying, totally up to you. However, I highly recommend to check and the ways to disconnect to limit the time you're spending on the screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.